Subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon for the latest tech updates.
Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. Guys, if you open your camera app and if you see, we have an option called the HDR. So actually what is this HDR option and when should you use this HDR option? So want to know about HDR? Then watch the video till the end. So let's get started. Actually, HDR stands for High Dynamic Range. For example, consider that you are in a location where one side is full of sunshine and the other side is totally dark. Then in that condition, when you take a photo without turning on the HDR, that's like a normal photo, so what happens is that the area which has the sunlight will be exposed and the brightness of that particular area will become very bright, and the objects that are there in the dark side of the photo will not be able to see. That means only the light area, that is only the total sunshine area will be seen into your picture and the other side is totally not seen in your picture. So to overcome this problem, we have to use the HDR. As I told you, HDR stands for High Dynamic Range. What happens is that when the HDR is turned on, then the HDR will take multiple photos. Like say about 3 photos the HDR takes. First one will be the high contrast photo, and the second one will be the medium contrast photo, and the third one is a low contrast photo. And this HDR will combine these 3 multiple photos and they will club that 3 photos and make it to the one photo. And this first and this one image will be the perfect image. That is, when you take the photo with the HDR in that particular condition, then the sunshine side and even on the darker side, the both exposure will be balanced and will get a good clear image which will be way more better than the normal image. So in that conditions where you have the sunlight on the one side and the other side is a darker side, then we need to use the HDR option so that the image quality will be better than the normal photo. I think you got a clear idea about the HDR option and when you should use this HDR option in your mobile phone. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be way more interesting. And that's it for me today guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!